Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by trying on the blazer and pinning where excess fabric shows, then step back and check symmetry. Use chalk to mark the side seams and shoulders. Write down each measurement so you don't guess later. Once done, look inside. Expose the lining at the hem and sleeve vents so you know where to open. Make sure to note seam allowance, usually 1/2 to 1 inch, because that determines how much you can safely take in without distorting shape. You now open the lining just enough to reach the suit canvas and original seam lines. Use a seam ripper with short, controlled pulls. Then pin and machine baste your new seam about 1/2 inch inside your pins. This temporary stitch lets you try the blazer on and make micro adjustments. Once it fits, remove basting and sew final seams with a suitable stitch length. Make sure to reinforce stress points like shoulder pads and armholes so the altered silhouette holds up when worn. You finish by trimming excess fabric and finishing raw edges with a zigzag or serger. Then resew the lining back in place using a hand slip stitch so seams remain invisible. Press carefully with a pressing cloth and steam to set the altered shape. This restores the lapel roll and shoulder line. If things look puckered or the blazer pulls when buttoned, release roughly 1/4 inch at the shoulder or rebalance the hem. This small correction often fixes tension without reversing work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.